103. We have already done the first 3 chapters in the class. So right now we are starting with chapter 4, which is training and development. Am I audible? Please respond sometime. That's why.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Just,
ma'am.
just after completion of something, just tell me yes, ma'am, or no, ma'am. Then I will get your point.
No.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am. Definitely.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So the first one is training. What do you understand by training? Training is something which is a systematic process, which sometimes we require training and sometimes we may not require training. It is not like that we always have to provide training to employees. If you provide training every time to your employees, then it will incur huge cost. So first thing is we will have to realize whether training is required or not. But regarding this process, we will come later on. First, we must understand what training is. Training is a systematic setup by using like coaching. KT means knowledge transfer. See, you can see here coaching, knowledge transfer, teaching. These are the means by using which we can give training to the employees. So training focuses on teaching employees how it use particular machines or how to do specific tasks to increase efficiency. Now the main motive of training is to increase efficiency of any employee, whether it is managerial, a company. So when a fresher is just joining a company, he needs a 360-degree type of training where he must know the organizational culture, he must know all the required elements of the job. Like you have already read about job specification, then job analysis, you know all these things. So job specification related issues are very much related to training of a newcomer or of a fresher who is just joining. Now, in case of managerial people, if I am too fast, then just let me know. Then I will make it bit of slow.
No, ma'am. Okay. It's okay.
Okay. So the thing is that whenever
Hello. Hello.
hello,
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, the thing is, your can you rotate the phone? It's coming diagonally.
mm, so rotate the phone means like
Yes,
this.
yes, yes. Perfect, perfect,
Yes,
perfect.
ma'am.
Okay, then again let me set it. Is the board is visible?
Yes, ma'am. Now
Yes,
it's visible.
ma'am.
But camera is but not.
What? Okay, so the thing is, in case of training, there are specific employees. Like after
Ma'am,
training,
मैम
yes,
आवाज अच्छे से नहीं आ रहा है मैम, सुनाई दे नहीं
Ma'am,
रहा।
repeat 1 second, ma'am.
okay. Now is it okay?
ओके ओके
Okay. So the thing is that after training, the
Hello.
Hello.
Ma'am, we are not able to get. Hello.
You are not able to listen.
Not
Yes,
able
ma'am.
to hear it. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Voice break,
network
ma'am.
issue.
Voice is
I think
breaking.
No, no,
Yes,
ma'am, it's
ma'am.
okay. It's okay. So, man, please, everyone, please increase your increase
Volume.
your volume from your end,
नहीं
Okay.
your laptop or your phone.
Okay.
This
नेटवर्क का
is
कुछ
clearly
गलत हो रहा
audible.
है नेटवर्क का कुछ गलत हो रहा है काटा कटक से आ रहा है
It may be related to network. Yeah, it can be. Like at this point of time, everyone is using the network and it is connected via Wi-Fi. So it may be the network connection.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
yes sir.
Okay, just listen to me. I will give separately.
Hello.
Hello,
Hello.
hello.
फिर आवाज करिए मैम.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is getting muted sometimes.
Yeah, whenever it will again, I will start.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So in case of development, now the part comes development, because our chapter is training and development. So development is the outcome of training, but not a single training. There must be a sequence of trainings which will incur the development within a particular employee. Like whenever you are getting some coaching or teaching or knowledge transfer and you are being trained, so you are in the, suppose you are in the initial stage of your job. Now after few years you are being promoted and again you are getting some training related to that particular position of your job. Now gradually what's going on, you are getting training and your skills, your knowledge, your experience, everything is increasing. Increase, you will develop yourself. Like the process of development is a relation to insights which you are getting while delivering different type of jobs in different type of positions. Your attitude, like if you are a person who has a positive attitude to look at anything, you will take the challenges. But if you have some negative attitude, you will try to skip those. Like in I have already told you this example, like when first time computer was introduced in banking sector, so many people tried to acquainted themselves with that, and few people just took VRS, voluntary retirement, because they don't want to associate themselves with that new technology. So it depends on your attitude. Those who were trained for that particular system of computer generated systems in banking, they developed themselves because they had some positive attitudes. Then adaptability, whether you are ready to adapt a new environment, a new job type, it also a very crucial part.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
repeat again.
Yes. Yeah, which one?
I'm
Your
just
voice is
shifted.
break now.
The last point.
The last
Yeah,
last line. Okay,
just
sure.
shifted.
Sure. Like adaptability, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So regarding leadership and human relations, whenever you are under a leadership of a very good leader and you are sharing a very good relation with your peers, with your boss and with your subordinate, then you are being exposed in front of different type of knowledges, because everyone has some unique point. So whenever you have an open mind and you are ready to learn from everyone, it will contribute in your development. And your development is like a staircase which will gradually increase. See it, yeah, you can see the diagram.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so this is the development process. Your skill, knowledge, experience is increasing, and at the same time, your development part is also increasing. That means you are developing, and it is a gradual process. Suppose when performing greatly, so you are a very you are thinking that I am my development part is done, so in the future whenever I will be in top level management, this skill, this knowledge and this experience is enough, because now I know how to handle organizational politics, organizational environment changes, I know everything. So whenever you are thinking that you know everything and your development is done, development part is done, so your development process is being stopped there. Because I am telling you several times that development is an continuous process.
Process.
Training is discrete.
Hmm.
Training is discrete because once you are getting training.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello?
Ma'am, once you are getting training, after that we can't do.
I'm offline.
Sorry? Yeah. I'm telling you once again. Like development is a continuous process, but training can be discrete process. Suppose the organization in which you are joining, they think that whenever required, we will give you training. So whenever requirement is over, you are not getting training anymore. So now it is a discrete process. But there are some organizations who always give emphasis on continuous training. Like every time once you are completing one certification course, they will indulge you to do another certification course. So their training is a continuous process in that type of organizations. But
Ma'am,
training
development
can,
is also a part of training also, no, ma'am.
yes, but the thing is that it depends on the organization whether you they want you to grow every time, or they want you to have training related to a specific requirement.
Hello, ma'am. Hello. Ma'am,
Hello, ma'am.
can you please repeat again? After a specific
sure.
requirement.
Yes, the thing is that I am saying that development is always a continuous process,
Yes, ma'am.
but training can be continuous or it can be discrete. Suppose you are joining organization A and someone is joining in organization B. Now, organization B wants that their employees will always pass through a training program. Like you have completed Java training, then they will give you. You are getting some training from your organization. But who is joining in organization A? Their policy is we will give you training when it is required. Suppose you are working for database management system. Now there you need to know machine learning tools, in-depth knowledge about machine learning tools. So then they will give you training. But whenever you are able to handle all the machine learning tools, they will stop your training. Now that is a discrete process in case of training. But when they are giving training throughout the year every time, that is a
Ma'am, every day-to-day learning cannot be defined as a training. It is a development.
no, you are saying that it is learning. So that is learning, that is your experience, that is contributing
Okay,
in your development. But training is something specific which is given with regard to a particular objective.
okay.
You are saying the answer yourself that it is learning. Your day-to-day experience is your learning.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So moving on, there are mainly two. training part. Okay, so there are mainly two types of trainings.
On the job and off the job, right?
Yeah, right. It is showman's voice, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there are two types of training. One is on the job. I am there. That's why I am saying on the job training and off the job training. So
Yes, ma'am.
now from the term itself, you can understand the difference between these two. On the job means when you are getting training while you are working, and off the job means you are getting training when you are not working. Okay, so the
Ma'am,
difference
please
is,
repeat. I don't understand.
Yeah, sure. On the job means give emphasis on this term. On the job means when you are working with an organization, you are getting training. That is your on the job training. Or suppose you are working and at the same time, suppose your working time is or office hours is from 10 to 4.
Hmm.
Okay, from
Hmm.
4 to 6, you are getting training related to business communication.
Okay.
Okay, so this is something on the job training. When you are working, at the same time you are getting training. Or suppose you are getting a break of an hour within this tenure of 10 to 4. You are getting training related to a particular application of a software.
Okay.
Clear? That is also part of on the job training.
মানে জব করার সময় কোনো হচ্ছে কিছু ট্রেনিং নেওয়াকে বলে হচ্ছে অন দা জব।
একদম মানে জব চলতে চলতে, when the job is going on and at that point of time you are getting training, that is called on the job. See, like sometimes at the time of internship, few companies are paying, because that is also part of on the job training, because you are delivering something, no? You are not going there and sitting idle. You are performing job and
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello. Network problem.
Hello, ma'am.
Is the point on the job training is clear
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
to
ma'am.
everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I am going to off the job one. So off the job means that when you are not performing the job, like suppose you need to know some, you need to have some technological know-how. Suppose your company is purchasing a particular machine from Japan. Okay. So you are an engineer and you need to know how to handle that particular machine. So Japanese are not going to come, they, as per agreement, they are not going to come to India. Now your company is sending you to Japan to acquire knowledge regarding that particular machine.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
On that particular time, you are not performing job in your office.
Yes, ma'am.
That can be considered as your of the job training. When you are getting leave from your regular job and you are getting specific training for your development or for the purpose of the job.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear everyone?
Okay,
off the
ma'am.
job and
Yes,
on the
ma'am.
job?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
অফ দা জব হলে সবসময় হচ্ছে মানে যখন কন্টিনিউয়াস জবটাকে বাদ দিয়ে আমরা অন্য কোথাও ট্রেনিং নিতে যাচ্ছি, তাই তো?
हाँ yes.
জবটাকে কিছু সময়ের জন্য পজ করে আমরা ট্রেনিং নিচ্ছি,
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে।
ঠিক আছে, সেটা হচ্ছে আমার অফ দা জব।
অফ দা জব।
হ্যাঁ, এবার নাও মুভিং টু দ্য অন দ্য জব ট্রেনিং মেথডস। ওকে,
ম্যাডাম, অফ দা জব যখন আমরা বাইরে চলে যাচ্ছি, কিন্তু অন দা জবের ক্ষেত্রেও তো আমরা মানে মানে তখন জব করছি না, তখন তো ট্রেনিং পিরিয়ডের মধ্যেই থাকছি, মানে তখনও তো লিভই হচ্ছে।
ক্লিয়ার নয় কোয়েশ্চেনটা, রিপিট ওয়ান্স अगेन, আরেকবার
মানে
বলো।
আমি বলতে চাইছি অফ দা জবের ক্ষেত্রে আমরা তো বাইরে গিয়ে ট্রেনিংটা নিচ্ছি, তখন জবটা আমরা মানে লিভের মধ্যে থাকছি, কিন্তু অন দা জব ট্রেনিং এর ক্ষেত্রেও তো আমরা লিভেই নিচ্ছি।
না,
মানে
অন দ্য জব
তখন
ট্রেনিং এর ব্যাপারে আমরা লিভে থাকছি না। অন দ্য জব ট্রেনিং, সে ফর এক্সাম্পল,
কাজ করার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে
কাজ
আরেকটা কাজ।
করছো, ধরো তুমি মনে করো তুমি চাকরি করছো, করতে করতে সাপোজ রাইট নাও ইউ নো অ্যাবাউট SPSS, you know something about SPSS or Excel, let us consider Excel or Office Pack, you know, everyone knows Office Pack, right? আচ্ছা,
হ্যাঁ,
ঠিক আছে, এবার ভিজিবল আমি, everyone knows Office Pack, right? Now whenever you are going to work in an organization, you need to know the advanced spreadsheet modeling.
ওকে,
Okay, so when you are working, at that point of time your company is giving you training related to advanced spreadsheet modeling. You are working in HR department, you are doing
Okay.
recruitment related work, you are doing selection
Hello,
হ্যালো ম্যাম।
ma'am, your voice has stopped.
Hello.
okay,
Like-
like you are working in the HR department, clear? So you are doing recruitment related work, you are doing selection related work, but at the same time every day for 2 hours experts are coming and giving you training related to advanced spreadsheet modeling.
ওকে,
Okay, so they are not
Okay.
stopping your daily requirement of your job, or you are not getting off from your job. You
Okay.
will have to do your everyday's work, and at the same time you will have to take the training from the expert.
ট্রেনিং। ওকে,
Clear? That is
Clear.
the
Yes,
essence
ma'am.
of
Yes,
on
ma'am.
the job training.
ওকে,
If it is off the job, they will send you to suppose Microsoft's office, regional office.
ওকে,
It is not considered as your leave. It will be your you are on the job and you are getting training on behalf of the company.
ওকে,
Clear?
ক্লিয়ার ম্যাম।
So on job leave
Hmm.
and you are
Okay.
getting training.
ওকে,
Okay, so now we are moving to the methods. Okay, the first one is job rotation. Okay, so on the job training methods, now we are going to start the on the job training methods. The first one is job rotation.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Suppose there are two HR personnel. One is
Ma'am,
working
network
on
problem. Ma'am, network problem. Please repeat the topic.
yeah, sure. This method is called job rotation. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now consider an example. Suppose two.
Hello.
And suppose,
Hello.
hello, ma'am. After
Ma'am,
suppose,
voice break.
Hello.
আচ্ছা দাঁড়াও একটু স্টপ হই। হ্যাঁ, এবার
Yes, ma'am.
ক্লিয়ার, অডিবল?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose
Yes,
two
ma'am.
people are working under HR department.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
So one is working for training and development. Another is
Yes.
working for performance appraisal related issues. Now, after 2 years of their job in a particular company, the person A is transferred in the department of training and development, and the person B is transferred to the performance appraisal department. Means subdivisions under. Yes. Hello. Subdivisions under HR department, like this is HR. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is training and development. This is recruitment and selection department. This is performance appraisal department under HR department. Okay. Now
Yes, ma'am.
this one is person A. This one is person B. Okay. So now person A will come to person A. It is B. It is A. Now he will come to his position and he will go to his position.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the job rotation.
One person doing many works.
No, no.
No,
It is no, no.
no. One person is not doing many.
It is a rotation of the.
Okay, okay. Shifting, right?
More work.
Hmm.
Shifting, right? Shifting, but not like day shift or morning shift. Shifting in job responsibility.
Yes, yes, yes. Mhm.
Knowledge.
Okay. So see here, this diagram will explain everything. Like person B will come to person A's place, and person A will go to person B's place. So their job is being rotated.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I move to second point?
Hmm.
Ma'am, first one is training and development. Second and third one, what is ma'am?
Training and development. Where were you?
Ma'am,
No,
HR department,
this
there is three
the-
types. That is.
There are. Okay. Training and development. Another is recruitment and selection. Another is performance appraisal. Just for example, consider this.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Now,
Okay, ma'am.
now person A was working
Yeah.
under training and development. Person B is working under recruitment and selection. So they are just rotating their job. What we do, we from horizontal we rotate to vertical. The system is same. They are just rotating their job or interchanging their.
ম্যাম ম্যাম
Yes.
বলছি এখানে কি মানে দুজনের মধ্যে নলেজের ট্রান্সফার হয় না শুধু মানে জবের পুরো জবটাই ট্রান্সফার নিজেদের মধ্যে?
দেখো বাই ডিফল্ট নলেজ ট্রান্সফার হবে, মানে যখন মনে করো ধরো আজকে আমি টিচিং এ আছি, ধরো আমি অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেটিভে নলেজ ধরো নেই, তো আমি যখনই অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেটিভে শিফট করব 2 বছর আমি অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেটিভে থাকবো, তখন ডেফিনেটলি আমার টিচিং প্লাস অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেটিভ নলেজ এসে যাবে।
আচ্ছা।
আবার যেই লোকটা ধরো অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেটিভ থেকে টিচিং এ এলো উইথ রিকোয়ার্ড কোয়ালিফিকেশন, সেই লোকটার কি হবে, ইনিশিয়ালি হয়তো একটু প্রবলেম হবে লেকচার ডেলিভার করতে বা কিছু, বাট ইন ডিউ কোর্স অফ টাইম।
Hello.
Hello.
হ্যালো
Hello, ma'am. Can't
Yes,
hear you
ma'am.
properly.
ইয়া
Hello.
ম্যাডাম শুনতে পাচ্ছি না।
হ্যাঁ এবার শুনতে পাচ্ছ কি?
Yes,
হ্যাঁ
ma'am.
ম্যাডাম এবারে ঠিক আছে।
এবার ক্লিয়ার তো? The thing which I am telling that suppose I am going to administrative department. Right now I have teaching skills. So after working in administrative department, I will. So administrative plus teaching. Now, suppose when I am going to administrative departments, someone from that administrative department is coming to your department for teaching.
আচ্ছা
Okay. Now, after 2 years, that person will also have both the knowledges, teaching and administrative.
হুম
So knowledge transfer is also
ইম্পর্টেন্ট
expertise
Hello.
of different. Yes. Hello.
Please repeat the.
Yes. Sure. The key objective of job rotation is to give more knowledge and more expertise to the employees. By that, they can work in different departments. Clear, everyone?
হুম ওকে
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So moving to the next method.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain me the
The can I explain you the? Hello. Hello.
হ্যাঁ ম্যাডাম
Hello.
শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
শুনতে
Hello.
পাচ্ছো? হ্যাঁ, কেউ কিছু জিজ্ঞেস
Yes,
করছিল।
ma'am.
Someone is asking something.
Kaushal, पूछ.
कौशल पूछ ले भाई, क्या पूछना था?
उसका नेट स्लो
Ma'am, he has a network problem, ma'am. You continue.
Ma'am, you can continue.
Okay.
He has a
Okay.
network problem.
Okay. Coaching is mainly given to the trainees. Coaching method is mainly developed for the trainees. The trainee is placed under particular supervisor, and that supervisor is giving training how to handle the job, how you should deliver in time. So that is called coaching. It is as simple as that. You were in your summer training. Everyone has done that, right? Summer training.
No, ma'am. No,
So
ma'am.
in some
no
ma'am. Okay. Whenever you will
Summer
do
training.
your summer training, or you are just joining a new organization as a management trainee, or first time you will get designation of a trainee, then you will get coaching from your supervisor.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes,
yes
ma'am.
yes
Okay. The next point is job instructions. Coaching is clear. It is very simple. Job instructions.
What to do and what not to do.
Yes. That is how to deliver your job. Like, it is also known as step-by-step training. These are similar. Job instructions and step-by-step training.
okay
Perform the job. And in case of mistakes, the how to handle those mistakes and how the trainee can correct those. Clear? Suppose you have written something by using a pencil. Suppose here I am writing. suppose I have told you that development comes before training. Okay, everyone is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. So
Hi, ma'am.
I have written wrongly that development comes before training. Now the training, here in the job instructions or step-by-step training, you will learn how to correct your mistakes. So here I know how to correct my mistakes. I will just replace development by training.
Training comes before development.
Yes. Clear? So
Yes, ma'am.
job instructions or step-by-step training is the training where you come to know how to perform your job and how you can correct your mistakes.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Network problem. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Hello.
Yes. Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, ma'am. It is audible. You speak.
Committee assignments, the fourth method.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose we regularly do this thing in our class also. Like we teachers give you case studies which you need to solve in a group. Group activities are given to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
So this is the same like that. Suppose five students from your class are being selected for a particular company. Okay, so
Yes,
five
ma'am.
of you are trainees in that particular company
Hmm.
Yes,
at the
ma'am.
start of your job. So you people are
Sir.
given a particular assignment or a particular organizational problem, and you need to discuss that among you need to find out the solution.
Among
You are a group right now. You are a group of trainees. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
a particular organizational problem is given to you, and you need to discuss that problem among yourselves, and you will have to find out the solution,
okay.
and
Okay.
you will have to tell it to your supervisor.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is a group activity and it is called committee assignments.
Yes, ma'am.
That is also part of training. By that you will come to know how team building efforts are there,
Yes, ma'am.
like how you should share a problem with others and how to find out solution of problems by discussing with others, democratic method.
Yes, ma'am.
That you can learn, and at the same time you are able to find out what type of problem
Hello.
is being facing.
Ma'am, what type of problem?
Ma'am, please.
Your
What?
organization is facing.
Okay.
Suppose you are working for a FMCG company. They are not going
Yes,
to
ma'am.
give you a problem which is related to a FMCG company, because they
Yes,
are
ma'am.
going to, as it is job related training, as it is your on the job training, so it must be relevant one. Like the people who are working in digital marketing area,
Yes, ma'am.
who are getting training in digital marketing, they will face some life problems
Yes, ma'am.
at the end of their training. Capstone projects, we call them capstone projects. You know that, I guess.
Yes.
So capstone projects are also on the job training methods. By solving those problems, you are coming close.
Hello,
Hello.
ma'am. You are
Ma'am,
coming
please
to.
repeat that.
You are coming close to the original problems,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
the business problems which an organization is facing. So in committee assignments, the group is getting that kind of problem which they will have to solve, and the solution they will find out by group activity.
Okay, ma'am.
So yeah, that is
We call
committee
it,
assignment.
ma'am, we call it as a group assignment.
Yeah, group. That's why it is called committee assignment. Committee means a group of people, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So the the last one is internship training. That you know very well. What is internship training? Under this training, mainly freshers are being taken by any company, and mainly from academic institutions, and then they are getting different type of trainings related to the business of that particular organization, then the problems faced by the organization. There are different training objectives associated with training.
As a
Ma'am, repeat once again, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Internship training is mainly a package of trainings
Yes, ma'am.
where you are getting different type of trainings related to your job which you are going to perform in future.
Yes.
Suppose you are working as a management trainee in finance department. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so right now you will get training related to how to handle cashes.
Hello.
Ma'am, how to handle?
Handle the
Hello.
cash.
Oh, okay.
How to coordinate with the cashiers, with the clerks.
Hmm.
How
Yes,
to
ma'am.
take orders from your senior.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, how to?
How to take orders from your senior.
Yes, ma'am.
How to handle historical financial data.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So all these are part of your internship training.
Okay, ma'am.
The subtopics will be changed, but you are getting each and every essence of your job in under internship training.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear, everyone?
Ma'am, company
Yes,
like,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, company
Yes.
like service company, like what kind of internship training they provide, ma'am?
See, there is no company which is called service company. They must be servicing for a particular business.
Yes, ma'am, exactly.
Like,
Yeah.
suppose they are security providers.
Hmm.
Suppose, like I and B, these are the companies who provide security personnel in ATMs, banks, and there are so many places. So if someone is joining as an intern under them, so he will get internship training related to how to handle those security personnel, how to reimburse their salary. Then if any problem occurs, moreover, have you scheduling related issues you have handled?
Ma'am, have you?
Ma'am,
Yes,
after
Hello.
have you?
saying,
Ma'am, have you? Have you?
yeah, have you ever heard scheduling? in operation, sir?
okay.
So
Ma'am,
again,
scheduling.
scheduling, yes.
Yes.
So when you are
Yes, ma'am.
working as an intern in a service provider company who are related to this security service provider, you need to schedule who is going to which place,
Yes, ma'am.
their shifts.
Okay,
They
ma'am.
are daily paid workers. So how you will define their wages or their salaries? These are the things which are related to that particular service firm. Now again, if you are working for a hotel, then your service issues will be different.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear? Who has asked the question?
Ma'am,
Hello?
ki different, ma'am, different.
Different means I'm not giving you notes. You just listen to me. Notes will be given to you.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Continue.
Different type of organizations. The internship training is different,
Yes, ma'am.
but something is common. The common part is you are coming to know everything related to your job. Like, let me draw a diagram.
Marketing HR.
You are an intern. Okay.
मैम की मार्केटिंग एचआरआर क्या बोला?
Finance.
Administration, finance, clear. If marketing related work, you will get 10% knowledge. HR, you will get 10%. Admin, you will get 10%. Finance, you will get 10%. So from everywhere you are getting knowledge, and at the end of the day,
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
yes,
Hello.
I can hear.
Ma'am, after at the end of the day.
At the end of the day, you are getting 40% knowledge as an intern. Means the rest 60% you will get when you will be working as a full-time employee. As an intern, you are getting 40% knowledge from each and every department, and the rest 60%
Yes, ma'am.
time employee.
Ma'am, as an intern of marketing person, then he will get a knowledge of only marketing, no, ma'am. Then
No,
HR.
no, not only marketing.
Everything.
Like someone who is working
Everything.
under marketing department, he will get knowledge about admin, finance, some parts, but here the ratio will be changed.
Okay.
Like suppose 80% of marketing,
Yes, ma'am.
so this would be the combination.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Here
मैम
now
की
again
80%. Ma'am, 80%.
It is a rough assumption.
Idea. Like 80% knowledge of marketing, 10% of admin, 5% of HR, and 5% of finance. Now,
Yes,
if
ma'am.
it is finance,
80% finance.
Then 80% of finance.
now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, if I am changing it to HR,
Then 80% of it.
যেটা যার মেজর সেটাই তার ম্যাক্সিমাম নলেজ থাকবে,
maximum knowledge.
ম্যাক্সিমাম নলেজ। আর তার মধ্যে কিছু কিছু হচ্ছে মার্কেটিং থাকবে, ফাইন্যান্স থাকবে, আর এইচআর থাকবে।
Hello.
We'll have to.
Hello.
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 Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
listen?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So why it is 10% for admin in every case? Because each and every department needs to interact with admin every time.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Admin will get 10% always.
Hmm.
Now rest are interchangeable. Like these 5% are being changed based on your department.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are done with on-the-job training method.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's all for today. Next day,
Okay, ma'am.
Next day it would be a production class, and next day it would be again your. I will tell you via your WhatsApp. So for today, this is the whole thing, and we have done training and development concept, then methods of training, and we have started on the job method, and it is completed. Next day we will start with off the job method.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Okay,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Everyone? Okay. So bye. Take care.
Yes,
Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am. For job orientation.
Ask.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
sure. Ask me.
job orientation. Why company will provide the job orientation? I think it is not benefit for the company, because the person who is in training, he has better knowledge in training. Then why he will recruit in other departments?
Question is not clear to me. Give some example and then ask the question. Then it will be
In job orientation, you say the job is transferred from one department to other department.
It's not job orientation. It's job rotation. Rotation.
Yes, ma'am. So why company will do it, ma'am? It is not benefit for the company. The person who is in that department, he has a better knowledge of that department. If company is providing him another department, then he may face some loss.
Okay, this is a very valid question. Now the thing is, consider this time, this situation, when due to coronavirus everything is locked down, and it is expected that the economy is going to face huge recession, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And at the time of recession, what companies do? They just going for layoff.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I understand. Yes.
Now a company has 50%, 50 people who are
Yes,
working for a small scale industry company. Now, right now he has decided that I will work with 25 people.
Yes, ma'am. Company have to minimize the
Now
employees, so
25
the employees should have all type of knowledge. Yes, ma'am. And
All type of knowledges. That is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
objective of job rotation.
yes, ma'am.
It is
Thank you.
always beneficial for the company, and it is not beneficial always for us.
Yes.
For the
Multitasking
employees.
stuff.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Any
you.
other question? Anyone?
No.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Bablu, do you have any question?
No.
Any question?
Bablu, you have any question you can ask.
Okay, if you have any question, you can ask. Or if any question comes to your mind afterwards, you can write to me.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you,
take
ma'am,
care.
for the wonderful class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank
Ma'am.
you.